Hi, let's begin directly with the introduction. Here is the first chart, and you will have the C minor composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G, and the bass note of C. And the way you will choose to play this song is going to change a lot according to the feeling you want to convey. If you play within a band and that you refer to the drums, well, in that case, you wouldn't even need to play this introduction. Because if you are only you and your piano, I suggest you play like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So on 1, you play the bass alone. On the 2, you play the chord alone. On the 3, you play nothing. On the end that symbolizes the offbeat, you will play the bass note alone. And on the 4, you play the chord alone, which would give you this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 3, 4. I also found out that aparte actually comes from the Korean pronunciation of the word apartment shortened into apart, and the song refers to a drinking game called the apartment game, and that's also why you hear game start at the beginning of the song. Let's move on to the verse, and you will have a new chart. Here it is, and as you can see, you will have one additional chord, the A sharp major composed of the A sharp, the D, and the F, and the bass note of A sharp. So you can either play like the original song, but in that case, you won't have much to play. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kissy face, send to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel, oh. But in a scenario where you're alone with your piano, I assume you might want to play the chart differently. Here's a readapted chart, and you're gonna use the same playing method you have heard in the introduction. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Firstly, without the lyric. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 And you'll play this chart twice. 3, 4. Kissy face, send to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel, oh. And now you reach the pre-chorus that you will play with a different chart. Let me display it to you, and you will have 3 additional chords. So you will have the G sharp major composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G sharp, and the bass note of G sharp. Then the D sharp major composed of the D sharp, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of D sharp. And the A sharp major that I suggest you play with the D, the F, and the A sharp, and not A sharp, D, and F. 3, 4. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the... And you reach the chorus. Let me display the corresponding chart, and notice it's the same chart you had for the verse. 3, 4. And now you will have Bruno Mars's verse that you will be able to play by repeating the same chart 2 additional times. You will then have the second pre-chorus that you will play just like the first one. However, the second chorus will be different. Here is the corresponding chart, and I will resume with the next lyric. And you're gonna replay one last time, or you play these chords using arpeggios, dividing every number by 2, which would give you this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now with the lyric. 3, 4. Following this, you will have a bridge and you're gonna need a new chord. Let me display it to you right now and you will have several new chords. So the G major composed of the D, the G, and the B, and the bass note of G. Then the C major composed of the C, the E, and the G, and the bass note of C. And eventually the F major composed of the C, the F, and the A, and the bass note of F. And with the pressed chords method, it should sound like this. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you move on to the second section. 3, 4.
Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way. Hold on, I'm on my way.
And it's now that you will move on to the third section.
Yeah, I'm on my way. Don't you want me?
Then you reach the pre-chorus followed by the last chorus that will be played just like the second chorus, except that this time you will play the corresponding chord 4 times before finishing this song with either the C minor chord or the D sharp major chord. I wish you good luck for this song and I will see you very soon in the next one.